my loves, welcome back to my page. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful beaded key holder, and let us get started. So here are the materials that we'll be needing. You need your scissors, your fishing line, and also your sugar bead. So let us start with cutting of the fishing line, and note that only cut fishing line that you can undo. Okay, and if you are yet to subscribe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also turn up the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my beading tutorials. So let us get started now. So firstly, after cutting your fishing line, make sure you join the mouth of the fishing line together to have a equal length, and then you are going to take one bead. We want to start with a ring of 4. Then you take one bead, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the fourth bead, after adding the fourth bead, you are going to crisscross with the second end of the fishing line. You cross together, and then we have your ring of 4. Can you see now? We have our ring of 4 now. Can you see? And then the next step is that you are going to add one bead to the right hand side and also another bead to the left hand side of the fishing line. Then you crisscross with one bead. So like that, we have our second ring of 4. Can you see? So this is what you should be having. Yes, make sure you pull tight, pull very, very tight to have a sturdy ring of beads. So we want to continue. On our right hand side, we add one bead, then we add another one again. We are going to repeat the procedure. Then you crisscross with one bead. Like that, we have our ring of 4. Yes, can you see? And that is the third ring of 4 that we have now. So that is how we are going to do it till we have ring of 4 in 9 places. Can you see? So this is I'm trying to do the 4th one here, and then I'll meet you guys at the last ring. That is the number 9th ring. So make sure you pull tight. Don't forget to pull tight while beading yes, not only this design, maybe any design. So far you are working with bead, don't forget to always pull tight. So I'm still working on my ring of 4 here, and then so right now you should have 9 ring of 4. 9 ring of 4. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, so what you are going to do next is that you are going to fold into 2. After folding, can you see? Make sure you are folding it very well. So on each side you are supposed to have 4 4. What I'm going to do is on your right hand fishing line, you are going to add one sugar bead to it. Then you are going to take the right hand fishing line, you are going to pass it through the next end for you to join it together. Can you see that bead there? Pass it through it. Yes, and then you are going to pull. What you are going to do now is that we want to add the key chain. The key chain is the one that is going to hold the bead together. So this is our key chain. you are just going to pass your fishing line through it. You take that edge. So on your left hand side rather, you pass your keychain, then use one bead to crisscross together. Yes, can you see? So that is what you are supposed to have. And then you are going to pass your right hand side fishing line into the next bead that is facing it. You pull tight, and then you are going to do the same thing to the right hand side fishing line, and then you cross with one. That is how you are going to do. You are going to do it round. You pass it through the bead that is facing it. Use one bead to crisscross. When you reach the edge, yes, so this is what you are going to do. Just listen to this part. You are going to take your right hand side fishing line. You pass it through the next bead that is there. Can you see? Pass it through the next bead, and your left hand side fishing line, you pass it through the bead that is there too, that is facing it, and then you pull very tight because you want to have a very strong key holder. And then your right hand side fishing line, so you are going to do what you did for the other side too. So but this is how to close everything up. Then can you see how I closed everything up? Then you are going to make a knot. Make sure you tie it very well. You can make at least 2 or 3 knots. Yes, that should be okay. And tie it very well for it to be strong and firm. Yeah, and that brings us to the end of our key holder. Then find scissors and then just cut off the excess thread, and that bring us to the end of our tutorial. I hope you enjoy this video. If you are yet to subscribe, kindly do so, and if you find this video helpful, you can just drop a comment and also like this video. I'll be sharing another tutorial on another different design of key holder, so don't miss out. Subscribe and also turn off the notification button so that you won't miss out anytime I drop the second design for key holders. So I'll see you guys next time.